If you want to test out whether some application is safe to run or not, then you may not want to directly install it on your main system, but you may want to install it in a sandbox where you have a safe environment. So to do that, first of all, what you need to make sure is that the sandbox is turned on. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around over here in start right here, and then just type in run, and what happens is that the run app appears right here. So over here, simply type in optional features.exe. So once you type that in and press OK, then what happens is that the Windows features opens up right here. So what you need to make sure is you need to scroll down and you need to enable the Windows Sandbox option right here. For this, you need the professional version of Windows 11 because the home version does not support this. So you need to enable this and press OK. And what happens is that Sandbox gets enabled, and it may prompt you to restart the OS if it is your first time running this. You also need to make sure that you have the virtualization option enabled in your BIOS for this. So once everything is done, you can go around over here, and then if you were to type in Sandbox right here, Sandbox actually appears. So you can go around and click on Windows Sandbox, and what happens is that it loads up a virtual machine right here. That is, it runs a fresh Windows 11 right here, as you can see, which is inside of this. So once you resize and everything, it reloads and everything. So over here, you can see that this is a personal space right here. So you can go around over here and you can see that this is a fresh copy of Windows 11. So what you can do is you can download out any apps over here. You can go around and search it, and everything is fresh in this particular sandbox version of Windows. So you can go around and you can see that there's nothing installed over here at all. So whatever you want to test it out, or if there's an email attachment that you want to access out to see if it is safe, then you can use it in this environment and make sure that everything is safe before you actually want to install it on your main system. So that is how you can use Windows Sandbox inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.